Hi everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be resetting the oil change interval on this 2022 Kia Sportage. So we've got a big touchscreen here in the middle. You just press your start button, get that to come on. Press it again, bring your ignition on. Now you probably have a warning coming up. Service required, and a big spanner symbol. This is minus 103 days. Now what we've got to do is come over here, we'll go to the settings. On the touch screen, we'll go to vehicle. We're also going to go to cluster, and you see down here we've got service interval. Okay, so we'll press the arrow for service interval, and we're going to just press a reset there. Do we want to reset the time and distance? Yes please. That's resetting, and that's reset. And you can see 365 days, 10,000 miles remaining. So we'll back out of that, and hopefully if we switch the ignition off and back on, we shouldn't have any service warnings. We've got to check exhaust system fault. That's a different problem to do for regen, but no service reminder. Okay guys, hope this helps some of you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.